How to add soundboard to Discord on mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add soundboard to Discord on mobile. In order to add soundboard to Discord on mobile, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and update your application. So basically not being able to do it, so what you'll have to do is you need to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in Discord server, or you can just type in discord.com. So once you locate the link, tap the three dot icon and make sure to enable it to desktop side. After that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on open Discord in your browser. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface. So here you can see, so once you're logged into your Discord account, once again you'll need to disable your desktop side. So tap the three dot icon and go to desktop side. Once you've disabled the desktop side, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. Now tap the try bar icon and you need to select a particular server. Let's go with this one, and then tap the gear icon located right in the corner. After you select the server, tap the arrow icon from the top right and go to server settings. Once you find server settings or tap on it, you'll be able to see the information right over here. Now tap soundboard from the bottom and you need to go ahead and tap on upload sound. Once you've done that, you need to select the file. So for that, go ahead and select browse and select where you've actually stored the particular folder that you wish to upload it to your soundboard. Now select the folder. Once you've done that, you need to add a name as well. You can also relate to the emojis, whatever you want. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on the upload button. After that, you can just go ahead and tap the upload button located right at the bottom. So in this way, you can add a soundboard to your Discord mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.